I know you think you can run. You're scared to believe I'm the one, but I just can't let you go. I let the world go, let the world go for you. This is how it always felt to end. If I can't have you, then no one can. I let it go, I let the world go, just to hear you calling out my name, watching it all go down in flames.